What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 10 in the morning, so good morning guys, or good afternoon from wherever you are watching my video from. So I'm on my way to my client's home to work on her Toyota Camry. I worked on this car about a year ago, and I did post about it. Check it out on the description and on the link above. So for this car, it's close to a year since I worked on the car, so it's due for maintenance, and hopefully there is nothing complicated on the paint, and it will be a straightforward decontaminate and protect kind of situation. The scary part now, I am still quite some distance away and there is no petrol station nearby, and I am running out of fuel. So hopefully I get to reach in time and without me getting stuck by the side of the road.
In 400 meters,
and I will show you guys everything in a cinematic video, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and remember to like and subscribe and support my channel so that I can give you guys more content, more videos to watch. So I see you guys at the end of the video. Yo guys, so I'm done with the Camry, and I was rushing a bit, so forgot to end the vlog. So here it is. I did a clay bar for the entire car, tar removal and watermark removal for the car, and then finish it off with a layer of Dodo Juice Supernatural Wax, and the result came out pretty decent. I also managed to remove the scratches on the bumper and the side skirt, but unfortunately for the bonnet, I couldn't really remove fully the damages because some of the damage was quite deep. So I mean, yeah, that's the only way. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon.